Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix gaming feature aren't available for the Windows desktop or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop gaming features options are not showing, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is, first of all, you have to just click on the start menu, then click on settings. In left side you will find gaming, click on that. After that you can see here game mode, or you will find here Xbox game bar. You have to click on this. After that, make sure that you have to enable this option. If it is disabled, just enable this option and close this window. After that, the second method is, you just need to click on the start menu again and type here gpedit.msc. You can see here gpedit.msc. Click on this. I will expand this one and expand this also. You can see here computer configuration. First you have to double click and expand this one. After that you will find here administrative tablets. Double click and expand. After that you will find Windows component. Double click and expand. In this you need to find Windows game recording and broadcasting. Scroll down. You can see here Windows game recording and broadcasting. Click on this, and right side you will find enable or disable Windows game recording and broadcasting. Double click on that. You have to make sure that it is selected as not configured. If it is selected as disable or enable, you have to make sure it is selected as not configured. After that, click OK, then close this window. After that, then try the third method. Click on start menu again, then click on settings. In left side you will find apps. Click on the apps. Here click on apps and features. After that, here you need to search for Xbox. Here you will find Xbox. You have to just click on this three dot, click on advanced option, scroll down. First you will find terminate. Click on this terminate. After that, the second you will find reset. Under this you will find repair. Click on this repair. After repairing, if it's still not working, then try to reset it. Click on reset. After doing this both, still you are facing the issue, and the last final method is just uninstall and reinstall it. After reinstalling, you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix gaming feature aren't available for your Windows desktop or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.